The restaurant industry has long been associated with long hours, hot-headed chefs, and an intense working environment that only the most passionate can handle. But that's been slowly changing over the past few years. Welcome to 7 Shifts Academy, guided lessons for restaurant workers, owners, and operators to gain the knowledge they need to grow their business and succeed in their careers. Even before the pandemic hit, there was a growing feeling that the restaurant industry had to do better when it came to employee experience. We're seeing a culture shift, and the restaurant brands that are leading the change in our industry are putting culture at the forefront. But first, what is restaurant culture? Restaurant culture is how you do things in your restaurant and why you do them that way. It's your core values, systems, behaviors, and everything that goes into the employee experience, and by extension, the guest experience. Picture this. You're working at a restaurant and you walk into the kitchen. The cooks are yelling at each other, the employees aren't helping each other out. What does that tell you about the culture? Probably that it's not great. Now imagine yourself as a guest in a restaurant where you've been greeted kindly with an energetic server, a chef that's touching tables. That's representative of that restaurant's team culture too. Restaurant culture is the sum of all of these parts. They define the experience of working in a restaurant and dining at it. Why is restaurant culture important? Restaurant culture matters for 2 main reasons: employee experience and guest experience. Employees are leaving the restaurant industry in record numbers. Culture plays a big part in that. Have you ever interacted with someone and thought, wow, this person must really hate their job? It's pretty obvious to spot a disengaged employee. They do the bare minimum to get by at work. If your employees are disengaged, you'll start to see poor performance and less enthusiasm on the job. Ultimately, disengagement results in turnover, which is a huge problem for the industry. However, restaurants with great culture see this less often. Chris Williams, director of brand culture at Walk On Sports Bistro, says it's more than just a job to them. If we can create that type of culture within a team, then the guest experience will mirror that and really be heightened. When the employee experience is great, it makes the guest experience even better. Highly engaged employees create a culture of team spirit and enthusiasm at work. They believe in what they do and therefore bring in higher profits by treating customers better and upselling. With great culture, everybody wins. Great company culture and an engaged team make the guest experience better and improve a restaurant's bottom line. It's a winning formula for restaurant success. Thank you for watching. For more on employee retention in the restaurant and hospitality industry, subscribe to the 7 Shifts YouTube channel. Want to show off your knowledge? Sign up for 7 Shifts Academy to access free course material with quizzes and certificates. And don't forget to check the description box for links to other useful resources.